morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to Ride to the Sun. So I ordered something, and from Italy. It's a muffler for the Triumph 1200 Tiger Rally Explorer. Well, first let's do an opening. We'll open the box, see what it looks like, and then you'll be the judge if it's something that you might be able to use for your motorcycle. Thanks for stopping by. All right, so let's open this up. I'll post the place that I purchased. I'll post the place that I purchased this from. It was on, actually on Instagram. I think I found them through YouTube. Excuse me if there's any shaking here. The box states Arrow exhaust. See if they got it right. It's supposed to be a black finish. It came to DHL from Italy. I think it only took 2 or 3 days. It was scheduled to be here tomorrow. It actually got here yesterday, early. So this was super quick. And I would certainly, if everything is good, recommend this company if everything works out well. Because I love companies that ship fast. Whenever I sell things, I try to ship them same day or at the least the next day. And we will be having merch eventually on this channel. So just know, whenever that era starts, shipping will be a premium. Because if you order something, I'm assuming that you wanted it yesterday, not 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or whenever you feel like, already some goodies. You say carbon? Would you say? Would you look at that? Look at the finish. Even the edges, sometimes you'll see sometimes. Wow, look at that. That is awesome. That's just awesomeness already. A nice black and yellow Arrow exhaust. Wish it was gray, but it's all good. And a few more accessories, a few more parts. And some screws, washers. And of course instructions. Always good to have instructions. Nothing wrong with instructions. Well, let me put everything back in here. I don't want to scratch up my carbon shield. That's the shield for the exhaust. If everything else is as this is, ta-da! Okay, so some more packing. This is well packed, by the way. I didn't show the packing. Maybe the rear camera caught it. But it's pretty well packed. There is no movement in this thing. Plus there is a, I use it to put my OEM one on to store it. So everything is well packed. I'll put all this packing back in the box. No, you're still here. And I may or may not show the install fully. I think I've seen 1 or 2 other guys do it. I forgot the name of the guy that did one. He did a pretty good job, actually. I don't know if I subscribe to his channel or not. I like to return the favor. People subscribe to my channel, I subscribe to theirs. It's only fair. The grind is real. So, let me move this out of the way. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous finish. It's an aluminum black finish. Oh, let's just feel this with a carbon tip. What a gorgeous muffler. Almost like titanium, but it's aluminum. Would you look at that? I'll give you the slow B-roll here, okay? Would you look at that? Arrow exhaust. It's a matte, looks like a matte carbon. It's not that glossy. I kind of like this. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I can't complain. All the whales. If you look at the whales, I come closer on if you can see this. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that. This is all great quality work. All the rivets. Well done. Everything tucked nicely. It's pristine. Look at the whales here. Arrow just makes a wonderful product. I love the finish. It's unassuming, it's matte. Not glossy, sort of a gloss matte actually. It's really nice actually. I'm floored here. Look at this. Look at the little details here with the little black rivets on the carbon. I wish everything was black, but this is still a nice little accent to it. Now, for the real test, you gotta go see what it sounds like. Either way, I think it's still a nice high quality product. So let's see what it sounds like. Arrow is gorgeous. I may put a clip of my Arrow exhaust on my Aprilia RSV 1000R. That was probably the best sounding motorcycle. Well, it's a quick, it's a tie between my old Ducati 996. Bi-postal 2-seater and my Aprilia RSV 1000R. Those two bikes, I might give the Ducati a leg up with that dry clutch, open dry clutch. So other than that, I think I can't wait to hear it on the Triumph to see what that triple does to the sound of the Arrow exhaust. So if you're a gearhead, if you're a nerd like I am, hit the subscribe button. Let's see how much this thing weighs. So, can you see that? 4.4. 4.5. Let's make sure it's centered. 4.539. So let's just round off at 4.5 with the shield. £4.68 pounds. 2.125 kilos. You could say 2.13 kilos. Okay. Doesn't feel heavy at all. So that's what we're looking at. 7906. Okay, it's a little more centered. 787. So we could say 7.9. Kilos 3.574. Switch unit. Do was loosen the screw up. There's all kind of junk. Probably could use a long extension, but I'm too lazy to walk to my toolbox.